Your energy collapses faster than it should. Your mind breaks under tiny pressure, and one small spike of stress is enough to throw your whole day off. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why your body is doing this and how to flip the entire system back into the strength within 7 days. You should know this. Something in you has been shifting for months and you feel it. Your body suddenly turns against you. The tank empties without warning and the smallest disruption hits you like a punch. If you're honest, how many times this month did you feel that exact crash? Now imagine seeing inside your body at that moment. You'd see an overloaded nervous system firing danger signals in harmless situations and a testosterone reservoir running dangerously low. And today, I'm going to break down step by step why this happens and how you can stop it before it destroys your energy, your patience, and your drive. And before we go deeper, everything I'm about to give you, all the steps, all the tools, the entire system is inside the free 21-day program under this video. It's a manual for calming the body, restarting your energy, and pulling testosterone back into the driver's seat. And now, I'll show you the biology behind it. You need to understand what stress does to a man's body, how to read your hormonal state in 60 seconds, and the 4 actions that can shift your entire system from survival back into the growth within a week. But the most important part is this. There is one specific moment that reveals whether your body is still running on testosterone or if the stress has already taken control. Every man over 35 goes through this moment, but almost no one understands it. Once you recognize it, your whole life changes in a single day. The modern man, 35 plus, is drowning in levels of stress previous generations didn't even know existed. His nervous system stays locked in fight mode even when he's sitting in a traffic or behind a computer. And that's the core of the problem, because your body works like a river with 2 channels. One channel is a strength, growth, energy, calm and courage. That's testosterone. The other is contraction, tension and survival. That's cortisol. Your body only opens one channel at a time. When the stress channel opens, the testosterone channel shuts. And if you've been feeling less energy, weaker sleep, low patience, reduced drive, and intimacy fading, you are not tired. You are overstimulated by stress that shuts testosterone down at the source. Here comes the moment that explains everything. It's that short instant in the middle of the day when your energy collapses in seconds. Your head slows, your chest tightens, your rhythm breaks. This micro collapse is not exhaustion. It's cortisol overwhelming the system. It's the signal that stress has taken the wheel. Men with high testosterone walk through that moment and keep going like nothing happened. Men with low testosterone get stuck there, and by evening, there is nothing left. If you recognize this moment, you're not weak. Your hormonal axis is overloaded and fighting a battle you can't see. Researchers from Michigan and Israel describe testosterone as a brake on an exaggerated stress response. It stabilizes the nervous system, reduces anxiety, keeps your reactions controlled, and prevents a small problem from becoming a mental avalanche. But this only works when testosterone is available. When it's low, stress wins instantly. And that connects directly to something I wrote in one of my books. Anxiety often comes from trying to control the future. But the future isn't ours to command. It isn't poetry, it's biology. Because when you try to control a future you cannot control, your nervous system tightens, cortisol spikes, and testosterone drops. The moment you release that internal pressure, your system can breathe again. Now, I'll give you the 4 tools that bring stress down fastest. The first is breath. When stress overloads you, the first thing that collapses is your breathing. It speeds up, shortens, loses rhythm, and your body interprets it as a danger. That triggers the entire chemical spiral. But when you slow down your breath, you cut the spiral. Slow inhale, even slower exhale. 1 minute, and your nervous system calms instantly. If men did this daily, half their energy problems wouldn't exist. The second is controlled short stress. Not heroic extremes, not macho rituals, just 20 to 30 seconds of cold water in the shower. A short, safe spike that forces your system back into balance. Chronic stress destroys you, but short, controlled stress strengthens you. A man who adapts to cold adapts faster to the stress of real life, and your body learns to turn stress off much quicker. The third is the mind. Not in theory, but in the exact second when pressure tightens your chest and your thoughts start running into the future. Scenarios that haven't happened, fears that don't belong to the present moment. This isn't weakness. This is your nervous system trying to control the future to keep you safe. And this is where the idea from my book becomes a tool. Anxiety often comes from trying to control the future, but the future isn't ours to command. When stress hits, do one thing: slow inhale, slow exhale, and say to yourself, this will pass. Not what might happen, not what should happen, not what could go wrong, just this will pass. This cuts the chemical loop and pulls you back into the present. Train this 3 times a day, and within a week, you'll handle pressure with much better calm. Not because the world changed, but because your reaction did. The fourth tool is sleep. If your bedroom is bright, noisy, hot, or you scroll screens before bed, your body can't enter deep recovery. Without recovery, there is no testosterone, because sleep repairs your brain, your hormones, and your entire system. 25% of your testosterone is created through sleep alone. Darkness, silence, cold air. Not because it's trendy, but because it's biological law. When you sleep well, your body repairs itself. When you sleep badly, everything else is temporary. If not anything else, just remember this: stress isn't your enemy, but stress in control is. When you master breath, at controlled cold exposure, break the future control loop, and fix your sleep, your body switches off the survival mode back into the growth. Testosterone rises naturally, not as a hack, as a biological response to the conditions you created. In 7 days, you can become a different man. And if you want to understand the next part of the process, specifically why your energy crashes in the middle of the day and how to bring it back in minutes, watch this next video. That's where I take you into the second half of the system and show you exactly how to use it in real life.